or lamp who watches while lovers play, and lights the marriage bed till break of day. Keep now another somber secret well, a plot no faithful wife must tell. The women of Athens all mean to seize power from men and then rule as they please. They oil their bodies, brown their skin, and paste great beards beneath each chin. They steal their husbands' cloaks and shoes, and practice how a statesman stands for public views. One brings her wool and starts to spin. Put that away before we begin. Miss Praxagora with a manly shout rehearses how to throw the men out. This city ship is nearly drowned. The same old rogues have run it aground. The men take bribes, revise each law, then praise the very faults they saw. Let women rule, we wash and bake, and seldom change for changing's sake. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Before the authentic males arise, the bearded women have claimed the prize. They fill the benches, raise each hand, and vote the women sole rulers of the land. Meanwhile, Papyrus leaves his bed to answer nature's call instead. His cloak is gone, so out he creeps, dressed in the yellow gown his good wife keeps. Then comes the news, the vote is won. The women now govern everyone. His wife returns and reveals the trick. She will cure the ailing body politic. All property shall be in common, the fields, the coins, the goods, the women. One citizen obeys the new rule and hands over his property like a fool. Another conceals his goods from view, but plans to share the common dinner too. I give my own furnishings away before I learn what others will pay. But Papyrus is graver, wiser fears. What now becomes of love, my dear? Suppose a lovely girl I see, what does the law require of me? No money need be spent, says she. Love likewise shall be public and free. Each woman shall belong to all, and every man must answer every woman's call. You must service the plain as well as the fair. The ugly women will get their share. The lovely girl must wait in bed until the ancient one is fed. The handsome man must stand aside until the ugly is supplied. Yet the pirate suspects a hidden fee demanded by the new decree. And who will work the field, says he? The slaves will labor, answers she. The citizens need only scent their limbs, then eat without a cent. Night falls, a maiden at her sill awaits the youth who loves her still. But opposite, in a painted face, an ugly old woman claims her place. She powders every crease with white and wears a yellow gown too tight. The maiden mocks her shriveled charms. Only death would take you in his arms. Your paint and perfume cannot hide a face already dressed as bride. A bride for Hades in their song. The crone returns the taunt as strong. They trade abuse across the street until the young man comes to meet the maiden whom he longs to hold, but finds his path blocked by the old. The hag steps forth, you must come in, the new democracy must begin. He begs release, she keeps a hold, invoking the law and rights of old. But then another crone draws near, still older, uglier and severe. She cannot have him, he is mine. My age comes first by the law's design. The first hag curses, starts to shout. The young man hopes they'll fight it out. But from the darkness comes a third, the foulest creature ever heard. My face could curdle well-made wine, yet by the law the first right's mine. One grips his shoulder, one his waist, the third demands the first embrace. He calls upon the gods in fright, as all three drag him off that night. Thus Athens finds that sharing beds is a foolish dream. In ditzy heads, though public love and meals unite, each keeps a private appetite. The city governed by female desire marches laughing on toward judgment's fire. For schemes may promise equal shares of houses, dinners, beds and wares, but lust and greed still keep their place, however thick the beard on the female face.